Hello student, my name is Deepak Mane and this is my second lecture on mathematical logic. Today's points we have to discuss are first one logical connectives, second point types of statements and then examples. So let us start with our first topic, logical connectives, and the definition is the words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connectives. And in this lesson, we will study 5 connectives. First one and, second or, third if then, fourth if and only if, and fifth not. Now our second types of statements. So there are two types of statement. First type is simple statement. Second type is compound statement. Now the definition of simple statement is a statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements is called a simple statement. For example, let us consider two statements which we cannot be split. First one, 2 is prime number, and second one, 3 and 5 are twin primes. Both are simple statements clearly. Now the definition of compound statement is if a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, then it is called a compound statement. For example, now let us consider these three statements which are compound statement. Now first is combination of two simple statement, price increases and demand falls. And these two simple statements are connected by logical connective if then. That means if price increases then demand falls is a compound statement. Okay. Now in second example, there are two simple statements. First one, Ram is playing, and second one, Sham is playing. And these two simple statements are connected by logical connective and. That means Ram and Sham are playing is a compound statement. Similarly, in third example, there are two simple statements. First one, 3 is prime, and second one, 4 is an even number. And these two simple statements are connected by logical connective and. That means 3 is prime and 4 is an even number is a compound statement. Now let us see this statement. 3 is not a prime number. So for this statement, 3 is a prime number is simple statement, and the simple statement comes with logical connective not. That means 3 is not a prime number is a compound statement. Okay, is a compound statement, and the logical connective used in this compound statement is not. Now next point is connective, symbol and name of compound statement. Now let us see this chart. In this chart, 5 connectives are given with symbol, and name of compound statements are also given. Okay. So the first logical connective is and when two simple statements are connected by and, the name of compound statement is conjunction. Two simple statements are connected by or. The name of compound statement is disjunction. Now let us consider two simple statements. First, price increases, and second simple statement is demand falls. Now when we connect these two simple statements by and, then the compound statement will be price increases and demand falls, and the name of this compound statement is conjunction. When we connect these two simple statements by or, then the compound statement will be price increases or demand falls, and name of this compound statement is disjunction. When we write this simple statement price increases along with connective not, the compound statement will be price does not increase, and the name of this compound statement is negation. Okay, now these two simple statements, when we connect by connective if then the compound statement is, or the compound statement will be if price increases then demand falls, and name of this compound statement is conditional or implication. And when we connect these two simple statements by if and only if, the compound statement will be price increases if and only if demand falls, and the name of this compound statement is biconditional. It is also called as double implication, or it is also called as equivalence. Now let us see some examples. So our question is, write the following compound statement symbolically. That means here some compound statements are given and we have to write it in symbolic form. So first question is, Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. So here two simple statements are connected by and. So the name of this compound statement is conjunction. Okay. We all know that simple statements are denoted by small letter. So let us denote P. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Q denotes Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Therefore, the symbolic form is as shown on the screen. This is our symbolic form. Okay. And this read as P and Q. Now next compound statement is triangle is equilateral or isosceles. So here two simple statements are connected by or. That means the name of this compound statement is disjunction. Okay. Here two statements. There are two simple statements. First one, triangle is equilateral, and second one, triangle is isosceles. So let P denotes triangle is equilateral, Q denotes triangle is isosceles. Therefore, the symbolic form is shown on the screen. Okay, and this read as P or Q. Next question. The angle is right angle if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. So here two simple statements are connected by if and only if. So name of this compound statement is biconditional. It is also called as double implication, and it is also called as equivalence. So our answer is, let P denotes the angle is right angle, Q denotes the measure of angle is 90 degree. Therefore, the symbolic form of given compound statement is this one. Okay, and this read as P double implies Q. Next, question number 4. If triangle ABC is right angled at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. So in this compound statement, two simple statements are connected by if then. So the name of this compound statement is conditional. It is also called as implication. So answer is, let P denote triangle ABC is right angled at P. Q denotes measure of angle A plus measure of angle C is equal to 90 degree. So the symbolic form of given compound statement is this one, and this read as P implies Q. Question number 5. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse. So in this compound statement, there are two simple statements. First simple statement is angle is acute, and second one is angle is obtuse. So our answer is, let P denote angle is acute, Q denote angle is obtuse. Therefore, the symbolic form is this one, negation, and this read as negation P and negation Q. Angle is neither acute nor obtuse means angle is not acute as well as not obtuse. That means the symbolic form negation P and negation Q. Next, example number 6. X is not irrational number but is a square of an integer. So solution, let P denotes X is irrational number, Q denotes X is a square of an integer, and here these two simple statements are connected by but. But means and. This can be written as X is not irrational number and is a square of an integer. Okay, that means these two simple statements are connected by but. That means and. So there are two logical connectives, not and but. So our symbolic form is this one. This read as negation P and Q. P denotes X is irrational number. So negation P denotes X is not irrational number. Okay. Now today's homework. Here some compound statements are given, and we have to write these compound statements in symbolic form. So take screenshot and try to solve. Thank you.